Let's explore how to use your PNC360 radio. We'll start with the basics. There are 10 buttons on your radio: the emergency button, the push-to-talk button, volume up and volume down, the OK button, the back button, the red power on/off button, and the green answer key, which you will not need to use. To wake up your radio, press any key on the front of the radio or the push-to-talk button on the left side. To start a call, press and hold the push-to-talk button and then talk into the radio. Let go of the button when you are done talking. To change the channel you are talking on, use the up and down arrows to scroll to your preferred channel. Press the OK button within 3 seconds to set as standby. If this is not done, the radio will revert back to your original standby channel. Once you've set your preferred channel, press the push-to-talk button to talk on this channel. When your call is finished, scroll back to your home channel and press OK to set as standby. If you end up on a menu screen you don't want to be on, press the back button until you get back to your home screen. If you end up on the settings screen, press the down button one time or the push-to-talk button to get back to the halo screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 855-770-7194 or visit us at twowayRadiocenter.com.